how to change name on DiDi app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change your name on DiDi app. So to change your name, just follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to open the DiDi Rider app on your phone, just like I have done here, and then move to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there, and then on this page click on your profile picture or on your phone number to open up your profile settings. Then once you've done that, on the settings page you can see profile picture, and then you can see first name, last name. Currently for me, I have not added my first name or my last name. But if you have added your first name and last name already, by the time you click on it, you'll see a pencil icon, and you can just easily edit it by entering in the new name that you'd like to use. And I'll just be doing that straight away. And then once you're done, the name will be saved automatically, and you can now go ahead to do whatever you like with your account. As you can see, the name has been affected. That's just it. So this is how, and to change your name again, tap on it, erase it, enter in the new name you'd want to use, and you are good to go. So that's how you can change your name on DiDi app. It is so simple and easy to do. So try it out today, alright? Thank you, and ensure that you leave a like and a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.